Alright, so we start off with our first DIY. She's some type of little wooden piece here. So she has some words. She painted the top portion. Oh, it says mini bar. That's cute. Oh, wow. That is so creative. Cute little way to kind of sit and watch TV and have like your snack and your drink right beside you. That's perfect, especially if you have kids. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Design Trend Seeker. So, if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we will be taking a look at some more DIY project ideas and reacting to them. So, this next one looks like she's making some type of like table tray. And she's adding some little wooden pieces to the base. And then going in with some twine. This is cute. So she did leave it bare, but you could spray paint that if you wanted to. And then next up, looks like we have a wooden hoop here. Okay, so she must be making like a mirror design. Like the beautiful, like boho inspired mirrors. Can't forget the little wooden pieces around the perimeter. Very nice. Cute and functional. I love it. I love DIYs that they look good aesthetically, and then you can also use them and they serve a purpose. So here we have someone with some type of old bottle here. So this is a great way to recycle, make your own projects. And then she goes in with this really pretty blue yarn. So I know she showed us what she's making in the beginning, but I really wasn't paying attention, so I don't remember. Fruit basket. Well, you can actually use, oh, okay, she does use it as a fruit basket, but you could use that for several different things, honestly. It's a cute basket. So we have some wooden pieces here. Ooh, this is definitely not a beginner-friendly project. Looks like this might be some type of vase of some sort. Oh, she's making some type of lighting. And she has a gold hoop. Oh, this is pretty. Wow. I love the simplicity of this design. That is gorgeous. Wow. So pretty. It's kind of like a naked lamp or something. Very pretty bronze color. Storage container, maybe? Oh, it's another light. Wow. Oh, this is very cool. Very nice and very simplistic design with that one as well. Alright you guys, I hope you enjoyed checking out these DIY project ideas with me today. If you did, please be sure to give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.